This video is a walkthrough of creating a basic playlist using signage created in Canva. To get started, click on the Create Playlist tab. In this window, the Playlist tab is shown and displays all the playlists that have previously been created. Note that when a playlist is selected, the right column header shows the name of the playlist that is currently being edited, as shown in examples here. Also note that each tab is included to show the different elements that can be added or edited for a playlist. These tabs are likely to be updated with other options as time goes on. To create a new playlist, click on Add Playlist at the bottom of the screen and give it an appropriate name. After the playlist is created, it should be the default list selected and is now ready to accept content. ScreenBeam partnered with Canva to allow customers to create and build amazing content in Canva and then access it directly in Signage Plus. To get started, click on the Canva tab. If not logged in, click the Sign In to Canva button and authenticate the account. Please see additional videos on how to create signage content in Canva. To add content that was created, simply log in and the folders and content that was built will appear to allow you to select and drag over into the playlist. For this example, let's select a middle school template and drag it over. Next, select the time for this slide deck to run. Currently, Canva does not allow for importing timings for slides that were created, so once again, select the time that is appropriate for the created content. For example, if you would like 10 seconds for each slide and there are 15 slides, the time set should be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It is always possible to change these settings by just opening the playlist later to make and save changes. Next, click on Save Playlist. If there is an attempt to leave this window without saving, there will be a prompt asking to save or leave without saving. Once saved, there will be a notification that it was saved successfully, and the next step will be to create the signage with the playlist that has just been created. Click on the Create Signage tab and follow the steps from the Create Signage video to add the playlist and schedule the signage. Once the playlist is added, there will be a preview of the signage along with all of the timings that were previously set. This helps to get a preview of the flow of content before the signage is scheduled to run. Please see additional videos for more details on creating signage in Signage Plus.